Here again with another very short informative video. Let's see an example first. So as usual, I already have data set up as my previous videos. Just to save time, we are going to use some features that are included in Excel that will reduce our efforts and time uh, to produce different reports. The overall target obviously is the minimum effort and maximum output. This is, for example, an exam result of different pupils we have received from the exam center or whatever, and we want to produce a report. So let's see what we can add and what value we can add to this report to turn into a more informative format quickly. So let's add the serial number first. Let's add a column. So right click and insert column, and column is added. We all know about that thing. Now let's press 1 and 2 and then select these two cells, and now we can see uh, a small plus sign. We have to just press the mouse button and drag it down, and the series will automatically be filled in. Very common function, everybody knows about it. This is serial number. So we have filled in the serial number. Now we need the first name and last name from the email provided. What we will do, we will add two columns for the first name and last name. We will just simply insert two columns over here. This is called first name and this is called last name. Okay, that is fine. Now see if we can get the first name and last name quickly from this list of email addresses. Okay, first name is John, second first name is, okay, see, the Excel sensed what we are doing here and pick up the first name automatically from the list of these email addresses and asking us if we are happy with the Excel suggestions. We said yes, we are happy, and we just has to press the down arrow key and the list will be automatically completed. The same thing we will be doing with the last name, Smith and Fu, and see, Excel again understand that what we are doing and suggest us the possible entries. Press the down arrow keys and it's done. We got the first name and last name in a flash. This is called a flash fill option, and you can obviously follow the suggestions or you can deny the suggestion. We have followed the suggestion because we know what we are doing, and Excel suggested it accurately. Now the next thing what we want to do, we want to change this first name and last name to the proper case. So proper case means the first alphabet letter, first letter is capital and the rest of the letters are small in both first name and last name columns. To do this, we just have to do a makeshift kind of arrangement. Just insert another two columns and use the function called proper. Select the cell, done. See, capital J with the rest of the letters are small. Now copy and paste. So as I told you earlier, whenever you copy a cell that has formula in it, or every time the formula is copied to the next cell, not the value, and because it depends on the cell reference number, the cell reference will be updated automatically. Same we will be doing with is equal to proper and Smith. Now what we have to do, we have to select both of these cells, press copy, click here, and if we copy the cells over here again, remember the formula will be copied, not the value, but we need the value this time. We will right click, use it paste special, and we see these are option for values only. So right click, paste special and values only. Here we got the values and we can simply delete this cell. That's it, done. So we got the first name and last name, we got serial number. Now we have to do something with this data here. So obviously let's see, if we select this column over here, we can add something else, like if we want to insert class or grade, whatever. This is, for example, class 8. Now we want to drag it down. See, this time it copied the cell from the previous cell instead of creating a series over here. Yes, Excel is smart enough to understand what we are doing and to reduce our time and effort on things which is which are very common. Okay, we got this thing over here as well, and then select this column, and you see there is a small quick analysis button appears automatically over here. Just press the quick analysis button. Now we have all the analysis tool on a fingertip here. First, what we need totals. Okay, so there are two type of totals. This is sum again, and this is sum again. This you see these there is a small yellow color highlighter highlighting on the right side of this square. That indicates this is a row total. And if we go to this column, this will give you a column total. What we need on the column, we need average. For example, we will press average, and you see on the bottom of the row it is calculating average for each subject. Okay, now again press this one. We need total, and we need total marks for each student on the row level. Press this. No formulas, Excel will do it for you. Okay, we can say this is total. This is what we call a quick analysis button. Yes, a shortcut. Now again, quick analysis. Okay, we can have a chart very quickly over here. What chart we are looking for? Look, subject A, subject B, subject C, and the suggested chart are there straight away. You do not have to do any particular thing over here. Just go for this is the chart of each pupil and their marks in each subject. Let's see, we have this chart. Okay, that's it. Move the chart to this side. That's done. Now let's see if we can do anything else as well. Okay, so select this again. And again the quick analysis tool, and we got here data bars, colors. Let's see if we can do something with icon set. Okay, we have selected the icon set, and it filled the series all this data with these arrow symbols with red color, green color, and amber color. We want to change this to pass fail. Okay, go to conditional formatting tab on the home, under the home tab. Click the conditional formatting tab. We goes to icon set, and we need pass fail. Okay, now we have changed it to the pass fail, tick mark, cross, and exclamation mark. Now we want to change it to only tick mark and cross for tick mark for pass and cross for fail. Okay, that's it. Easy again. Go to conditional formatting and go to manage rules. There is a complete separate lecture I have on the conditional formatting. Please subscribe to see that lecture. We see the rule defined over here automatically. We want to edit this rule here. Edit the rule. Now we only need cross and tick mark. Okay, cross here, and we do not need the third option, so no cell icon. We only will be having the cross and the tick mark and the cross. Okay, but if we say if someone has scored 50 and above, it will be passed. So we are working on the numbers, not the percentages, and we say if the value is greater than equal to 50, it will show tick mark means pass, and then from 0 to 50, again the number, it will show as cross. Okay, and apply. Okay, now see, you can easily see the past subjects and the failed subjects quite easily. We can change this too as well. For example, if because these are three subjects and total marks were 300 and 150, whoever has scored 150 and above will be passed. Okay, conditional formatting, icon set here. Okay, and then we are going to do what, the manage rules, and we have to add a new rule here instead of following this same rule. So what we can do, edit rule again, and value, we just need two icons, tick mark and cross. We do not need anything else. 150 is pass, and 0 150 and greater than is equal to pass, and from 0 less than 150 fail. That's it. Okay, number, apply, done. So we can see over here the pass and fail in each subject and the pass and fail on overall result for each student. Now we can just simply highlight this. Now let's do some further formatting to this sheet. For example, if we want to highlight each row with a different color, if I highlight this row with this color and the second row with this color, and then I want to just keep this pattern all the way up to the very last student, I can select these two rows and you can see this plus sign again, and I can drag it down over here. What has happened, so this has copy pasted contents and the format of the first row to the all the rest of the rows. What I can do, I can select this autofill option, and you can see over here there are very different options: copy cell, series fill, formatting only, and fill without formatting. This time we need the formatting only. What will happen, you see, the contents will remain the same, but the format, font color, background color, fill color will be copied to the next cell. So this is a very dynamic function, this autofill. It can copy cell, it can fill, like this we have used for series fill. This is a copy fill and this is a format fill only. So that's it for our flash fill and autofill functionalities. If you can't see the autofill functionality, you will find it under home tab over here, that is flash fill. And as I told you earlier, there is a complete separate video on the conditional formatting, very informative and interesting video. Please do subscribe to my channel to watch it, and there are so many different visual basic videos which are very interesting and useful. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.